Hi there, Steve back. Just wanted to jump on real quick and do a semi-quick video about some of the things I've experienced in the last couple of weeks doing these ice baths every day. I know I went through a bunch of the takeaways that I've gotten, the benefits I've gotten over the last few months, but just in the last few weeks I've been able to notice a really good sleep pattern. And for those of you who know me, I don't sleep a lot, and I haven't for many years. I get just sporadic sleep, but in the last maybe 2 or 3 weeks, what I've been doing is keeping track with my Sleep Number bed. It tells you what your sleep patterns are, and just in the last few weeks the sleep patterns have tremendously increased. So I attribute that to the cold baths, because I've done a lot of different things in my life trying to help my sleep patterns. Doctors have done a lot of different things to try to help my sleep patterns. Nothing's ever worked. So just in the last few weeks, I noticed this pattern of my sleep being so much better than it has been probably in 25 years. So just wanted to kind of get in and let you know that that's another benefit that I'm getting from these ice baths. So I continue to do them every day. I do between 6 and 15 minutes, and today's 37 or 38 degrees. I've been trying to get this chiller to get it down to 37 or 36, but it hasn't been able to. I'm guessing I need a bigger chiller. But either way, 40, 39, 38, that's actually a great number for me. It makes it difficult to get in, yet I'm able to stay in for a little bit longer. So just kind of wanted to let you know that that's what's going on. That's what I've felt in the last few weeks. I'll keep doing videos as I see improvements in different areas of my life. I'll do more videos, but I just wanted to kind of reach out today and just kind of let you know that my sleep patterns have increased tremendously. I've been getting a lot better sleep. I feel more energized, more energetic. So anyway, take that to heart. You ought to give it a try. Ice baths are changing a lot of areas of my life, and I think they'll be yours as well. Have a great day while I sit here for the next 5 minutes.